Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage soup diet easy method. Start by chopping a medium head of cabbage and sautéing it with 1 onion and 2 cloves of garlic in 1 tablespoon olive oil. Add 6 cups of vegetable or chicken broth, a bay leaf, and 1 tsp salt. Simmer gently for 20 minutes, then finish with fresh pepper and a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Want simple ways to vary the soup? Try adding a can of diced tomatoes and 1 tsp smoked paprika for a smoky tomato twist. Swap in 1 cup cooked beans or 8 oz lean ground turkey to boost protein and keep calories controlled. For freshness, stir in a handful of chopped parsley or cilantro just before serving, and taste for salt so the flavors pop without overpowering the light, comforting broth. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep making simple recipes you'll enjoy. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice and enjoy a crisp scent on your drive home that pairs perfectly with soup runs. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. And now let's get back to the video. To make this practical, portion the soup into 3 or 4 airtight containers for easy meals. Pair each bowl with 3 to 4 oz of lean protein or a small portion of whole grain to stay satisfied and balanced. Drink water throughout the day and include other vegetables or a multivitamin if you worry about nutrient gaps, since cabbage soup is low in calories but strong on fiber and volume.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.